Accessible Web, WCAG Manual Auditing.
Success Criterion 1.4.3, Contrast Minimum. In this video, we'll cover how to check text contrast to ensure readability for users with low vision or color blindness. Let's jump in. Success Criterion 1.4.3 ensures that text is readable by requiring sufficient contrast between text and its background. This applies to all visible text on the page, including on-hover and focus states. Ramp helps with automated detection, but you'll also want to double-check manually. Ramp automatically scans for text that fails contrast requirements based on defined background colors. Next, manually check text contrast. Use the Accessible Web Color Contrast Checker to test any visible text that wasn't flagged in the automated scan. For normal text, ensure a contrast ratio of at least 4.5 to 1 against the background. For large 18-point or 24 pixel plus or bold 14-point or 19 pixel plus text, a minimum contrast ratio of 3 to 1 is acceptable. Add a failure for any text that doesn't meet the correct ratio. Now, check hover and focus states. Identify any links or interactive elements that change text color when hovered or focused. Use developer tools and the force state option to simulate these states or take a screenshot of the element in the state you're testing. Verify that the text still maintains a 4.5 to 1 contrast ratio in these states. If the contrast drops below 4.5 to 1 in either state, add a failure. And that completes the audit for Success Criterion 1.4.3 using Ramp's Audit Grid and Chrome extension. Proper contrast is crucial for legibility and usability. Now it's your turn. Test your site with Ramp's Audit Grid. Try it free for 14 days using the link in the description.